Hello viewers, welcome to C programming tutorial. Today we will know about skip sequences and comments. Before going to the topic, we will learn about flowcharts. Okay, so these are the flowchart. These are the diagrams of the flowchart which will be used to write the program. So basically, this this is the oval shape which will be used in starting or ending any program. And if we start any program, then start these oval shape will be used. Then if we then this parallelogram shape is used to input or output any program, like inputting in, outputting the sum, like this. And if we use this rectangle shape size, this rectangle shape size, and this shape is used for calculation like sum of the digits or difference of the digits, this calculation. And this is the decision block. The diamond block is called the decision block. Whether the sum is yes or no, this creates a decision among the this creates a decision. For creating decision, this block, diamond block, is used. So now we're going to the topic, that is skip sequence. So these are the skip sequences you are watching on the desktop or the screen. There's slash int for new line, slash t for horizontal tab, slash b for backspace, and so on. So we will show you some of these in our core blocks. So this is the previous program we used. So here we will use the skip sequences. I have used slash n already, and slash n is indicates the new line. So this is the slash n, the first one. It creates the new line of the program. So if we run it, we will see a program. We will see that my name and I am a student, these two words in the environment or in the programming field, it is in one sentence, but in the execution table, it is in two line. That it creates another line after my name and creates another line before I'm a student. So it creates a line. Now we will show horizontal tab, that is slash t. Cancel it. Build and run. See, slash t horizontal tab, that creates a tab horizontally between the words. Like there is a name and there is a student. I am a student. The info. It has created a tab between my name and the info. Now you have heard a sound like beeping sound on the desktop or on the laptop. If any error is found, and that's is done through slash a, that is audible bill. We will use it right now. Maybe you heard a bill sound. Let me play again. Maybe you heard the sound, but if you try it on your desktop, then you will heard a sound like a beeping sound, which is very familiar to you. So these are the skip sequences. Now I will show you how to comment. Basically, comment doesn't affect the program. It runs the program as you are typing it, and the compiler knows that the symbols that are gonna use is only for commenting. So one of our comment symbol is backslash, double backslash, sorry, front backslash. If we write the program, if we write any comments like See, see, I have written the program. I have written later some information that the program is about printing my name and my info, and it is under it is under slash, the double slash. So the compiler knows the double slash after double. If we use double slash before any program that it, then it will be regarded, or it will be indicate that it is a comment. So if we run it, see, there is no effect of the program. The program is about printing my name. It has not been printed because the compiler has already noticed that it is a program. It is not a program, it is a comment, and it is not printable. So there is another one. We will show you that. There is another way. We will show you this slash star. Basically, slash star is used to write one or more program, or to write one or more comments, and slash star is started and star slash is at the end of the comment. Like, let me give an example. Here I have written many things like the name of my country is Bangladesh. I love my country very much. Bangladesh is a wonderful country. So if we print it, we will say the same, that it prints that my name and I'm a student, but it doesn't print the name of a country. It doesn't print the whole sentence like the name of my country is Bangladesh. I love my country very much. Bangladesh is a wonderful country, because it the here it is here the compiler knows that slash star, the ending of slash star and the starting of slash star and ending of star slash is referring the comments. So it doesn't, so the compiler does not so the compiler will not execute these lines. If we use printf before the lines, like if we use printf, then it is printable. Okay, I didn't give semicolon before ending any program or any calculation. We have to use semicolon in C. So here is the information. My name, I'm a student. The name of my country is Bangladesh. I love my country very much. Bangladesh is a wonderful country. So if we use double slash, so if we use double slash or slash star dot star slash in any program, then this indicates the comment. And the comment is basically is useful for the programmers to understand the program. If he or she opens the programs after a long year or after a long time that she doesn't or he doesn't know it, so basically these comments are used for their understanding uses. So today this is our tutorial. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends who are willing to learn C programming. Thank you so much.